Am I in live? Yay! Hi! I can't see any comments here. I hope so. Yeah, started. Hi, Sai Sam. Hi. Slowly started. Hi, Hyderabad Times. I'm in Hyderabad Times page. I'm feeling like I'm in my page because always Hyderabad Times is mine and I'm Hyderabad Times baby. I love Times. Hi, Gokari, Gokari. Hi. It sounds so good. Sandeep Sandy, hi. How are you guys? So, if you guys have any questions, please ask me so that I can give you a proper answer. And I'm good, Sandy. So, you guys from where? Like, I'm in Chennai right now, so settled in Chennai. Uh, yeah. Sheikh Nuruddin, hi. You guys from where? I'm so curious. Oh my god, I was supposed to. What I love. How to overcome failures. Oh, you're asking me. I'm the right person to talk about this. Yeah, actually, it sounds so weird, but but a few things are there. You can come out. It's seriously not an easy thing to, come out from failure. Accepting the failure is the, biggest task. First of all, you have to accept that you failed. Then, what next? Some depression. You have to, come out from the depression, and you have to keep some goals, for to achieve the goals, you have to keep some ఏమంటారు, you have to follow some discipline. So if you follow the discipline, and if you wake up in the morning, and if you eat proper food, and if you are doing some exercises, if you do some meditation, and if you are running towards your goals, and if you do proper work, and if you meet some good people, and if you go out from your life, like regular life, you have to go out, but not now. It's a quarantine time, so definitely you can come out from depression and failures, whatever it may be. Might be, it could be a love failure, might be it could be a any loss of parents or something, but it is very tough, but we have to move on. This is your Facebook page, or it is a Hyderabad Times? I hope so. I'm in Hyderabad Times page. Oh my god, I have to check it out. I hope so. I'm in Hyderabad page. I'm not in my Facebook page, I guess. No, I'm not in my Facebook. A Taufik Ahmad, hi. ఏమంటారు, యా ఏమంటారు ఈజ్ మై ఏమంటారు అదిగో మై రెగ్యులర్ వర్డ్. ఐ కాంట్ లీవ్ దిస్. Shrikant, hi. Vachi sodium magnesium. What sodium magnesium? Hi Ahmad. So actually, failures are stepping stones, to achieve your success. So you have to go through a lot of failures. If you fail, one fine day, that failure will give you good experience, so that with that experience you will achieve very good goals, and you will become strong. Failures are always good to you, and always good to our success. It's a kind of a tonic. Shirin John, hi. And Anthony Carlos, hi, have a nice day. Thank you so much. And how is your quarantine is going on? And I'm in Chennai. We are in second place, I guess. So I think May also we will be in quarantine. We will be in custody, house custody. Dubai. Oh, Taufik from Ahmed from Dubai. How it is Dubai? And are you doing good? Krishna Iyer. Hi. Hello. Dubai. This is Taufik from Dubai. Yeah. I understood. So ask me some questions. It's seriously boring. Why you guys are doing like this? How are you? Yeah, I'm good. If I'm not good, I could be in hospital. I'm here and I'm coming to live means I'm healthy and good and I love you too, Krishna. Krishna here, I love you too. And my quarantine very well. I like. Okay, in Dubai also quarantine is there. I really don't know how Dubai is doing. And Nagesh Vemulpalli, hi, can you tell Madras address? What's wrong? What will you do with my address? It's my house. I can't give you my address to you. I hope so. I will meet you soon. Give my suggestion to Chennai people to overcome such a pandemic situation. Actually I'm single. I really don't have any problem with any guys, but I'm not in relationship too. Being single, actually I'm doing so well, and everyone is not like me because they are with siblings and they are with parents and they are with husband and wife, and few people are in so many like different kind of situations and different kind of family and different kind of mentalities right now. It's a very tough time to hold the emotions, and people are fighting like anything, and also in house arrest, especially ladies are taking a lot of pain, and I'm feeling so sorry about it. And a lot of domestic violence is happening, so I'm so sorry about it. And please break the silence and come forward. And even Bollywood stars also doing it, this break the silence about towards this domestic violence. And you don't need to bear it, and you don't need to hide your marks, like your pain marks. And definitely come out and complain to the police. And I'm so sorry about it. I can't tell you, I'm so emotional. And don't fight, please. Hold your emotions, and it's a family. If you break the family, it's really tough to stick it back. And ladies, be safe, and hold the emotions, and maintain the silence. And when you people are fighting, and if it is needed, maintain some silence, it's very much needed. And hold your emotions and hold your tongue. And not for your family, it's for your kids. And in front of your kids, don't fight. And don't give such kind of fights in front of them. And give some emotional security to the kids. Chennai set ayinda Shashi Kiran garu. It's not at all set andi. It is a very nearby red zone is there. Corona red zone, and not even half kilometer. It's very near to my house, and I'm really scared. How much we care also. Sometimes we have to come out for the groceries, and like to get some meat or something. That time how much we secure also. Sometimes we touch and all. So that is very much attention needed. So you people has to maintain some attention towards your how can you maintain yourself as a young girl? Do you think I am old? Oh fuck, I think some bang needs here. Bangs. Now I'm young only. Am I looking like old girl? How many percentage you can speak Tamil language? I can speak almost 35-40% of Tamil. Yeah, finally, picked up some language. How many? How is your career going on? Speak in Telugu for both Telugu state people. నా కెరియర్ చాలా 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 బాగుంది. అండ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నాది యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ మొదలు పెట్టాను కదా, సో ఆ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్లో మంచి సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్స్ వచ్చాయి. అండ్ ఆల్సో నేను చేసే బ్యూటీ టిప్స్కి అండ్ ఆల్సో కిచెన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్కి అండ్ ఆల్సో నేను మాట్లాడేదానికి ప్రతిదానికి బాగానే వ్యూవర్షిప్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ ఆల్సో ఏదైనా బిజినెస్ చేద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాను. అండ్ ఆల్సో మూవీస్ ఒక 3 ఉన్నాయి, అది కూడా చేస్తున్నాను. Your dress is not good, just fun. You are good. Okay. See, I'm all the time I can't, wear good dresses, and it's not a party time, and it's not a celebrating time. So people are in dull mood, and people are in really, literally, in emotionally they are in worst moods now. So I don't want to test their mood swings now, so I came normally. 35 to 40, it's okay. Speak Tamil. When will we see you on the silver screen? Your next movie? Seriously, I don't know. I don't know. It's a testing period to me. Oh my god, I have a very big forehead here. It's okay. We have to accept ourselves. Sometimes we have to cover, and it's not needed every time. No problem speaking Tamil language. Yeah. நான் தமிழ்நாடுல இருக்கேன், ஸோ அதுக்கு நான் தமிழ்லோనే பேசுவேன். Lot of people here they speak in Tamil, so அதிகமாக நான் ఏమంటారు, oh my god, sometimes in front of the camera I will be blank. Basically all of my people are Tamil, so they speak in Tamil. They can't understand any other language. I have to speak in Tamil, so finally I picked up some language. You asked me some questions so that I speak in Tamil. So no, you are looking too young, that's why I'm asking how can you maintain as an young girl. Sandeep Sandy. I drink lot of water. Basically I don't know how I am looking, but what I follow is I tell you. And I apply coconut oil every single day, and every single day I apply aloe vera gel also. Both together I apply to my skin, and no artificial treatments and all. And yeah, whatever you are taking inside, that will give the more glow. If you are applying top on the skin, might be it will not work much. I don't know. Both will work. I think half. You're talking like Big Boss Aishwarya Tamil. Huh? I don't know. I didn't see. I don't know. எனக்கு தமிழ்னா ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. எனக்கு தமிழ் ஆளுன்னா ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்கு. ஈவன் தமிழ் சமையல்னா எனக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். ஸோ என்னோட தமிழ் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லோரும் எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். என்னென்னா ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லு. அப்புறமா they are very sentimental. ஸோ அதுக்கு தமிழ் கల్చర్ன்னா தமிழ్ పీపుల్ని எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். రెడ్డి గారు ఒకసారి నా పేరు చెప్పండి. శివరాజ్ చారి. హాయ్. తమిళ్ పిడికాదా? కృష్ణ అయ్యర్. అయ్యో, జస్ట్ నౌ ఐ ఆన్సర్డ్ అబౌట్ దిస్. ఐ లవ్ తమిళ్. And what is the update about director Teja's movie that you are supposed to act in? I'm not acting in that film. I didn't like him, and he's... See, a lot of movie people are fake, and I don't like fake people at all, I saw many. It might be they are big people. It's really not worth. And I hate Teja. And might be he's talented, but behavior wise, I didn't like him. You know, if you are giving some word, I think we have to stood up for that word. Nanum Tamilda. Taufik Ahmad. Oh, that's nice. Actually, comparatively, Hyderabad எனக்கு தமிழ் following ரொம்ப அதிகம், and also even recognition wise also Tamil people recognition அதிகம். ஸோ எனக்கு தமிழ் கொஞ்சம் சீக்கிரமா எனக்கு ரொம்ப ரொம்ப அட்டாச் ஆயிடுச்சு. Shivaraj Chari, how many times you say hi, yaar? Hi. And it's boring. I think a lot of people, you know, they are attempting suicides because, you know, emotionally get stuck, and you know, they are not getting proper ఏమంటారు, ఎమోషనలీ సిక్ అయిపోతున్నారు. అండ్ ఫైటింగ్స్, స్మాల్ థింగ్స్కే ఇలా సూసైడ్ అటెంప్ట్స్ అవన్నీ చేస్తున్నారు. ఇఫ్ క్వారంటైన్ గెట్ ఎక్స్టెండ్, యూనో, పీపుల్ విల్ గెట్, lot of people attend suicide, it seems, because you know, I saw a lot of people, they are going into the depression. But at the same time, yes, our health also very much important, but you know, this kind of situations I didn't see in my whole life. Get arrested, oh my god. Has the film industry been treating you any better after you called them out on their behavior? Nishita Nyayapati. Actually, new producers and new directors are approaching me. Already well settled and you know, already well known directors and producers are not calling me. And you know, Vishal already created some kind of a fear here in Tamil industry, so that's the reason, you know. And also even Tamil Nadu is very much depressed with Jayalalithamma death till now, that political wise or else, you know, lot of things wise, you know, they didn't come out properly. Even movie industry also, that Nadigar Sangam and producer council was completely in a deep trouble. So you know, after that, this quarantine completely you know, tough time is going on, not only for them, for everyone, including me. అసారి గణేష్, హాయ్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు? లైవ్లోకి రాక చాలా రోజులు అవుతుంది. యా, అవును, ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ. ఈవెన్ ఐ వాజ్ ఇన్ డిప్రెషన్, you know. It is pretty common with everybody, you know. It is not only for me. And being a role model to so many people, you know, I can't tell you all those things, but yeah, few people, yeah, I'm a role model to few people. I'm not a big celebrity. I'm not a big well-settled woman, but I'm not you know, very much recognized through my work. But still, I'm okay. I'm trying my best, and I'm not giving up. And every day I'm motivating myself, and I'm doing my yoga. I'm doing my meditation, and I'm waking up at 5 o'clock, and I do all of my houseworks, and you know, thinking very positive towards my goals and towards my future, and it is making me very strengthy. And yeah, I hold my breath, and I hold my goals, and I always, you know, think towards my goals. So it is giving lot of motivation, and I always listen motivational speeches, and you know, I do research on some kind of issues. And in Amazon Prime I'm watching The Fire, and I'm in 3rd season or 4th season I'm watching. And that The Fire is literally feeling like, oh my god, it's a real life. I felt so happy after watching The Affair, because you know, nowadays people are not only, you know, hooking up with only one relationship. They are going into so many relationships, you know. So that Noah Soloway, you know, he gone through so many problems, you know, after having second wife, and you know, multiple sexual relationships he gone through, and second wife also, she will have multiple sexual relationships. And it's not like a dirty story. It's a very much true story. It convince you a lot. Every day 5 o'clock you wake up. Yes, Ahmad, I wake up at 5 o'clock. And yeah, I do my 1 hour of my workout after I woke up. And also I do my gardening. I give water, and I give some feeding like organic. So I pluck my flowers, and I pluck a few veggies from my garden. So I have very beautiful life, and I don't have any tensions right now till this time. Yeah. Ravi, hi, Ravi Kumar Garu. Very less people are watching. And what kind of business are you planning to do? I have few plans. I will tell you later. If I share, it is not gonna happen. So I have this little sentiment. So Shrikant Yadav, hi Akka. எனக்கு ரிப்ளை இல்லையா கிருஷ்ணா ஐயர்? ஐயோ கிருஷ்ணா ஐயர், I didn't see your message. Did you ask me something? Please ask me again. Na, I missed it. Less people don't think like what? Ahmad, I didn't understand. మాకు చాలా బోర్ కొడుతుంది. ఎవరైనా what? I didn't understand. As your life, you are too beautiful. Thank you. If you are happy, and if you are leading satisfactory life, then you will be beautiful, and you can be peaceful, and yeah, you share some happiness to the opposite person, or else plant, or else animals, anything, to your pets. You can share your life. You can share your love. What I said, live. Missing. Madhubingi, hi. As your life, you are okay. It's already satisfactory life. Sometimes how do you think creative people should make use of the time in quarantine? I think it's right time to keep our whole things in a proper, like, one by one, and our cupboards has to be cleaned, and our office has to be very much clean. Do you want to see my office, how it will be? I'm in my office right now. It's my office. Yeah, I'm sitting in my office actually, and my bedrooms, and everything is cleaned and properly kept at a proper place, and it's smelling so nice, and all the things, my emantaru perfumes collection, I kept it in a right place, and my lipsticks and my everything got separated, and yeah. How do you research about your backside rumors with industry, and how would you take over on it? Sometimes you trend in media. Shivaraj Chari. Back rumors. See, if people are giving negative publicity or positive publicity, I will take it easy. First of all, I will be normal. First of all, I don't stress myself, and I accept it. First of all, I have to accept what they are doing to me, and then I respond. And I'm kind of a fighting cock all the time. I always fight. Fight means, if I don't accept, then I argue. So I like arguments, and I love to do discussions, and yeah, if I don't like something, I definitely oppose. And Immediately I come forward and I tell about that topic. And basically I don't have a family. That's the reason, I will be more there comparatively all other women. I don't care any other people, and immediately I respond. I think I'm a very much responsible citizen. Om Prakash, hi. What is this meaning, Garu? Garu means G. Yeah. RRR మూవీలో ఏదైనా క్యారెక్టర్ వస్తే చేస్తారా? అసారి గణేష్ గారు. గణేష్ గారు, బేసికలీ మూవీ సర్కిల్ అనేది ఒక మాఫియా. అండ్ హూ ఎవర్ రాజమౌళి ఆర్ ఎల్స్ పూరి జగన్నాథ్ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ రామ్ గోపాల్ వర్మ ఆర్ ఎల్స్ తేజ, వీళ్ళందరూ ఏంటంటే ప్రొడ్యూసర్స్, డైరెక్టర్స్ అనేది ఒక మాఫియా అనమాట. వీళ్ళందరూ ఒకటే మాట మీద ఉంటారు. ఎవరిని పెట్టుకోవాలి అనేది వాళ్ళే ప్రిఫర్ చేసుకుంటారు. ఆ హీరోస్, ఆ డైరెక్టర్లు, ఆ పెద్దవాళ్ళు అనేది ఒక మతం మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీలో. సో ఇట్స్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ అ రిలీజియన్ ఇన్ అ మూవీ ఇండస్ట్రీ. దే ఆర్ మాఫియా యాక్చువల్లీ. సో దే డిసైడ్ దేర్ సెల్ఫ్ లైక్ whom to keep it in the in hero heroine roles and all. They only decide, and they will not give offers to any new one. illanna producers, relatives, illanna if they love any sexual favors, if they are doing any sexual favors, they prefer them only, not my kind of struggling people. And they don't keep my kind of characters in movie industry. Especially I always talk about Telugu people and Tamil people. Basically we South Indians are not getting proper offers comparatively, North Indians. Corona cases are increasing in Chennai. Shrikant Yadav Potta. It's a very horrible thing and the scariest thing. And also I'm feeling so scared and so insecure, because of this corona. And also Chennai is in a very dangerous zone, and the surroundings also in a red zones. So to come out and to touch anything also, I'm feeling so insecure and feeling so I can't even express myself how much I'm insecure. Corona cases are in, I read already. Hi ma'am, all are checking your FB page. Madhu Bingi. Yeah, please follow me in Sri Reddy official fan page. And at the same time I come to very often I come to live in Hyderabad the times also. Please Corona. Good evening Vinod Kumar Nambiar garu. And next oh my god, I have a lot of Vanguru Rohit Reddy, hi. Thanks for reply Reddy garu. Shivaraj Chari garu. And Jyotirmaya Patnaik, hi. I'm not like a regular star heroine, and I'm not a star heroine first of all, and I'm a very normal human being, and I'm a struggler, and more than that I'm a kind of a feminist. I'm not exactly 100% feminist, but I'm a feminist. At the same time, sometimes I talk about men also who are really taking a lot of troubles in their life, and I talk about themselves. And as a citizen I cover up everything, like political and health, beauty, and movies, and everywhere. I'm there in everywhere. May I know why you no reply in Messenger application, Facebook reply? Ahmad garu, basically I get lakhs of messages in my Facebook. And I really don't want to maintain any personal relationship with my fans or something. And might be, if I continue that kind of things, more people can message me, and if I don't reply and they misunderstand me, better to avoid all the messages. And I watch messages. If it is really important, then I will click and I will watch that message for sure. Tell us, Sri Reddy, may I know? Oh, it's already there. I replied for this. Ramola Nitin Ramola. Hi. Then how to contact, then how possible to talk, like this only. Because of a lot of failures in my life, and I need some time to prove myself, so I wanted to completely concentrate on my career only. So I really don't want to give up. I wanted to try till my last breath, and till I have strength in my body, and till I have confidence in my brain. I'm pretty much confident that I will achieve something in my life, and I don't want to give up. And without seeing you, I can't sleep. Shivai Shiv. You can see me every time in my Facebook. All are without what you from Hyderabad shows your tattoo. It's an angel. Actually, I'm forming muscles. I'm little muscular. Hi, Sister G. Nitin, hi. Ramula. Oh my god, I hate that person. Allu Arjun. Yuck. Seriously, yuck. I don't like. I don't like him. What would you suggest? Because hero means it. Not a good looking, and hero means not a ఏమంటారు do fights అంటే these people will not do fights their own. Actually, dupes will do the fights and all. And having lovely face, and irritating one heroine is not a heroism, I guess. This Allu Arjun do all the time, kind of that kind of things only. It is not inspiring. I didn't find any inspiring thing in Allu Arjun's movie. I feel always yuck all the time. Going on the heroine's ass is not a heroism. Heroism means like Ajit is doing a family films. He is doing very very good. And also Vijay, recently he did Beagle. A lot of sportsmen or else women, they can inspire through their films. So such kind of films has to come. Like, I feel like that. Tell me something about Ram Charan. I respect Ram Charan as a husband of Upasana Kamineni, and I like Upasana more than Ram Charan actually. And I recognize him as a Upasana's husband, because I love Upasana, and Upasana is more inspiring. Recently, I saw some poses of how to sitting on the knees, not knees actually. How to tell? Indian type restrooms are more good to get proper thighs or exercises or something she told. That was really catchy. And Upasana is giving the dieting tips and all. That is all helping me. And also a role model. She's being a very rich woman, and she always give good suggestions to the society. So she always good. हिंदी मेरे को मालूम होता, थोड़ा थोड़ा बात करने को आता. आप कुछ बात करें तो मैं बात कर सकती हूँ. Oh my god, I know Hindi little bit, and English okay, I manageable, and Telugu yeah very well, and Tamil yeah good. I know 4 languages. Yay! How many languages you know? Just now I said 4 languages. So actually I wanted to visit Dubai, Ahmed. So very soon I think I have to plan for Dubai trip. I wanted to take some rest. I wanted to come out from this quarantine. After it over, then I wanted to come out from this India, and I wanted to have some holiday trip. Then I wanted to come back. Miss Sri Reddy reply for what? If you wanted to try to talk, what I have to do? You are talking very well. So You can, if you have any questions, you can ask me here, and I really can't give you my personal contacts. Your face is looking so dull. Prasanna Kumar Kondreddy. Mm, I'm not dull because of house arrest. I think so. I'm such kind of a free bird, and I always go to my friend's house, and I always go for my gym, and I enjoy my shopping, and I go to clubs, and I don't want to sit alone like this. I hate my loneliness, and yeah, because of that, I'm dull. What is your most attractive part in your body? I think my nails. I love my nails. What are the upcoming movie? If yes, when they are going to release us the Telugu? I mean, very soon. I don't want to tell, because if I'm telling also, that is not gonna happen. I like your mentality, because you do whatever you like. Anybody needs a lot of guts to be like this in this society. I salute you. I salute you, Sri. I wish I become like you, Vijay Reddy. So being myself is very much tough, and also I really don't want to wish you like to become like me, and it's very tough life. Yeah, everyone will have some tough life. It is not an easy thing to achieve good heights in life, but yeah, because comparatively all other women, I have more tasks in my life, so I have to achieve it, and it's a very small life, and I don't want to fake myself, and I don't want to follow someone's steps, and I don't want to you know uh, like ఏమంటారు, ఏం చెప్పాలి, yeah, I don't want to do mimicry, I don't want to do you know copycats laga, I don't want to behave. But you said something that you like your parts in different interview. So after you listen everything, why did you ask me? You wanted to listen again, so that's the reason I gave you different answer. You know that I know that what you are asking, and I'm more clever than you, Satyendra Kumar. Once stand and show your dress. Why I have to? We will process your visas and package, Sri Reddy. Anish Gadipalli. Sure, thank you. When will you marry? Ansari Ganesh also asking, మీరు ఎప్పుడు పెళ్లి చేసుకుంటున్నారు? And Ahmed is telling me Dubai best tourist country, is very beautiful. I know, I've been there 2-3 times. I love Dubai. And I went to some other countries also, but I don't know, any other countries didn't give me proper attention. Dubai always makes me so happy, and a lot of positive energy, and more disciplined country, and more secured. So I love Dubai all the time, and yeah, for the enjoyment also, it's a very, very, very good country, and I wanted to do party in Dubai. I love to dance in Dubai parties. Yeah. See, I'm going into party mode. I always imagine so many things like Chandramukhi. I go into the scene. When will I marry? Actually, right now I'm not in the situation to accept any love or relationship. I don't want to ruin my life, so I wanted to go on in my goals, so with my goals. So see, it should be like an accident, and I don't want to choose a person, and I don't want to prepare myself for my relationship. If it is happen, it will happen. If it is not happen, it's okay, because I will have friends to enjoy. And why the fuck all the time we have to depend upon the boyfriend? We have to achieve our own, and for the money and all, for the money purpose and all, I don't choose relationship. It's all the time, it's kind of a emotional security. It's emotional, yeah, emotional bonding. आप कैसे हो? कलाम ओमोहद. मैं ठीक हूँ. Any new hobbies you picked in quarantine? Actually, all I have, and all of my habits are very good habits. I don't need to quit, and I don't need to pick any. And yeah, I discontinued my dance class. I wanted to continue my dance class. I'm missing my dance class a lot. And more than that, yeah, I'm doing regularly gardening and exercises. Yeah, more not like before. Actually, before I was little lazy, like I used to do only half an hour exercises. Now I'm doing full-fledged exercises. Like I lost a lot of weight. I don't want to show right now. I will surprise you guys with my good photo shoot, sexy photo shoot soon. Dubai, if I come, contact me. I'm here only past 8 years. Ahmad, okay, sure. Today you are looking so beautiful, man. Means I'm not looking good every day. Okay, not bad. I'm not feeling like so beautiful. I'm okay. If you go to Dubai, you will find, oh my god, goddess. You people find goddesses. Are you working on your body? Yes. 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 When is the next Tamil movie released? Theriyadu. Don't ask me. How do your parents react when you are using curse words on live TV or live interviews? Basically, my mother and father, they don't watch TV, so that I'm very much confident, and also they don't follow me in any social media. They don't have any social media accounts and all, so that I'm very much like a free bird. They don't watch me, and if they watch me also, they left me. They are like, it's a roadside dog, I don't want to care about it and all. My dad and mother is thinking, so it's okay. I don't feel like I'm missing. How do your parents, okay, it's already over. Why could you not act in private Telugu independent songs like Roll Rida songs? I don't have an idea, sorry. I don't know what it is. How did you enjoy your today's fish curry? Oh, you watch it. Seriously, I swear on God. Oh my God, after a long time, I'm having with some rice, this much of rice I had. It was so awesome. Amrutam antar kada, kind of a amrutam. Spicy and I can't explain. It was so good. I'm waiting for my second round. You love your nails, but I love your lips. Telugu song. What Telugu song? I didn't understand. All are seeing your page. Madhu Bingi. Okay, hi. Shivai, Shiva, at what time do you work out? I wake up at 5 and then immediately I brush and I fresh up and next I do meditation because if it is 6 then I get some horn sound and all. People honk here around my area, so I don't want any honking sounds and all. I just want to listen some squirrel sounds and bird sounds and all. In that time, like 5:15, 5:30, I start my meditation. Then I start my exercises. After that, then I do some gardening and then I apply something to my face. Then I do my cardio. Then after I finishing my cardio, I will have my my black tea or else black coffee or else some honey water or else anything like very hot. Before I wanted to finish off my abs and cardio, then or else in between of cardio and after abs, then I drink some water. Before completing my abs, I don't drink anything because with your empty tummy, if you do abs, then that will work so good. So yeah, abs, then drinking something, and after that cardio, then I take my bath, then after that puja, then I eat my breakfast. That is my morning routine. You are bold girl, Ravi Kumar. Actually, if you are a bold, not only me, if you are if you are very bold, you can, if you are very expressive, it means that you are enjoying your life. It means that you are accepting your life. It means that you are not fake. It means everything, like, you are very honest person. Expressing yourself means, yeah, you are honest. I'm honest, and I'm not faking myself, and I don't follow someone footprints. I like, I love myself. I love to be myself. And I'm a very good girl, and I feed, a lot of street dogs and birds and my pets and everything. That thing will give you a lot of satisfaction. And that meditation, you, in your meditation, actually meditation will help you to find yourself. What kind of a person you are, how peaceful you are. It like a thermometer, how that fever will thermometer will tell you the fever. So like that, your meditation will tell you what kind of a person you are, and also that will indicate your good and bad, and to reduce your bad things and to increase your good things and your thought levels, and also, yeah, everything. It Meditation give you a lot of strength, and physically fit, and blood flow also will get reduced, and your bp will be in control. So you can do your emantaru regular work without miss, and also that postponing things also will get reduced if you are doing meditation. Yeah, many things are there. Oh my god, I'm missing so many messages. Do you have any pets at home? Yeah, I have lot of koli. Koli means kodi, and it means hen. Yeah, I have hen here at my home, because my grandparents used to, even my aunts, like forefathers, they used to, you know, yeah, they used to have this kind of pets. So koli, like being a farmer family, um, yeah, I wanted to feed some hen at home, keeping my hen at home. Your doctor, nice person. I'm not a doctor. Actually, I supposed to be. Why are you so sexy? Am I sexy? Any girl, if they are in a good age, so they look sexy. If they do naughty things, if they do dirty things, if they do anything, if they are in worse situation also, they look sexy only because she is a girl. Stop bashing others, as instead bring out potential inducted in you, will capture your talent after COVID. So stay healthy. Narendra Babu, you are talking like a scientist language. I don't understand scientist language. I pick up normal language only. You are becoming so sexy day by day, Sandeep Reddy. Thank you. I think you are so horny. That's the reason I'm looking so sexy right now. I'm looking very normal. If okay, I like your lips. Okay, I'm from UK, Devbhoomi, Uttarakhand, Ramola. Oh, that's nice. Are you staying in UK? In which part you are in? Manoj, also loving my lips. I didn't apply any proper color also. It's a very normal color. I don't know why you guys are attracting to my lips. Thanks for that. Appreciating. Appreciated. How many tattoos you have? Any story behind them? I really don't have any story, and my friends are actually doing them. So I was attracted to this angel. So finally, I'm done with this angel, and I have tattoos. So in few places, I don't want to tell you. I think it's very personal, and my boyfriend can see them. Google bike. Please honor to work for your customized package for any country, madam. For what? I didn't understand. How do you deal online trolls? Sarvan, Shravan Vanaparthi. I enjoy them, and more than that, memes. They create some comedy. I love, like, I roll and laugh like anything. Yeah, I enjoy my memes a lot. And you are so cute in sarees, Ravi. Thank you. Your lips are too big. That's the reason everybody are attracting towards your lips, Sandeep Sandhi. I have big nose too. Why people are not telling about my nose? Everybody is talking about my mouth. It means I have a good script that will see different Sri Lakshmi after COVID. Okay, Shrikant, I love you. And Narendra Babu, okay. I didn't understand what it is. And Narasimhamurthy Garu, I like you too. Satyendra Kumar, any idea acting web series or any OTT platforms? I really don't have any problem. Yeah, actually, after watching so many series here in Prime, even I'm feeling like I wanted to act in a action kind of web series. Yeah, I do boxing and also it's not lockdown. What's your daily life? Oh my god, till now I explained a lot and I don't want to take risk again. Oh, if not lockdown. Okay, okay. If it is, okay. If it is lockdown, I thought. If it is not lockdown, what would be my. I was a very. ఏమంటారు very nothing changed a lot. It is very similar. You are bold. All the best for your future. Keep up with your cooking shows that will claim you do. And you learn new things and kick the rest of the shit out of your life. Jakir Hussain. Thank you, Jakir Garu. Erigi Ramesh Garu. Hi. Sagar Ganesh. Hi. You are not logged. And in quarantine only I learned a lot. Actually, I'm enjoying myself and I'm trying to know myself, and I'm doing research about myself and what kind of things I love, and what am I, and why I gone through this kind of problems. What could be the reason? Might be am I a fool, or else am I a dependent on something, or else am I really that dumb and all. How to become strong, and how to achieve goals, and how to overcome these problems and all. I learned a lot. I did a lot of research, and I'm reading. You can see my books also here. I read so many books, and I read so many books, and yeah, I'm doing something very, very much interesting, and also, even meditation, also knowing yourself only, meditation, and not knowing about anything, like not knowing about a book, and not knowing about God, not knowing about anything. Meditation is all about yourself and knowing you, respecting you, pampering you, and and after death where we will go, and after we come into this world and what we have to do, everything will teach you silently. Within you can find everything. Narendra Babu, I have a story and will start web series after COVID, which will show different Sri Lakshmi. I am from Hyderabad. You are a fighter and inspiration to weaker girls. Thank you, Narendra Babu. By the way, I am not Sri Lakshmi. I am Sri Reddy. And Sagar Ganesh, thank you. And Praveen Kumar, you fuck yourself. I think if you are fucking someone, and someone will be ready to fuck you, so take care of you, and I really don't give any fuck to you. Fuck off. Anything about actor Surya? I don't want to talk about old stuff. Shafidul Kareem Garu, hi. Kirti, hi Kirti. And Mohammed Kaja, what's up? So you look so cute in sari, Sandeep Sandy. Thank you. But yeah, next time I will wear sari. Come daily live program, live ma'am, Madhu Bingi. Yeah, sure. Yasin Khan, hi. Show us your pets. Okay, sure. Oh, it's my house. These are all my slipper collection, and this one too. Wait, see my pets. If I open the door, they will come like this. Hi, hello. I will show you. Hi. Hello. Say hi. Excuse me, Mr. Duck. Miss Hen, say hi. And this is my small garden. Not here actually. We have upstairs. We have a very big garden. It's a. These are all friends actually. Hello. Hey, dirty boy. They do a lot of dirty things, you know. This is my system. I work here, and this is my hall. I enjoy my uh, like I see a lot of movies here. Then that is my dining hall, and we have some bedrooms and kitchen. And here uh, upstairs my bedroom is there though. This is my office. Again, I'm coming back to my office. Finally, we are back. I love your cooking style. Keep innovating you new recipes. Sure, Shireen and Mohammed, love you too. Nagur Sheikh, hi. Dogs actually I don't keep because if I'm keeping Kohli, that's fine. They can stay with my staff and all. If they can feed my staff can feed them. So if I keep some dogs, they cannot. They are very much attached, and if I go to out of stations and all, they cannot stay and they don't eat properly, and so I don't want to suffer dogs. So emotionally supported. I don't want. You have some good collection of them. Yeah, in Kohli, different kind of collection I have. A pet lover is a great human, Sri Reddy. You are fascinating. Narendra Babu, thank you. Muhammad Khaja, I love ma'ams. Okay, thank you. show your house. Madhu, it's a very personal thing. I don't want to. Was the last movie you saw? What is your opinion about men? I respect men a lot, and if 5% of men in my life might be they hurted me, but 95% of men, more than ladies and more than any women, uh, men helped me a lot, and because of them I grown a lot and I learned a lot, and a lot of people taught me good things, being a man, and my role models and my backbones, my back support all the time men only. And yeah, I found lot of women, lot of ego and emotionally not that strong and all, but men all the time they can be stable, and if I'm angry also they are back of me, and they used to give me good yeah, I miss them actually, because I'm here. Because I'm here in Chennai, that's the reason. Who are all there in Hyderabad, actually I'm missing all of them. Venkat Yellamalli, hi, thank you. What's your native place? My native place is Vijayawada. What about Simbu? Simbu. It's a very joy type, he's also very much, you know, religious and trusting himself and being loyal and a very nice human being to everybody, very friendly to everybody. And yeah, I love him, Simbu. Muhammad Kaja, my favorite hobby, exercise. I love to take challenges actually. People discourage me that you can't lift this much of weight, but I show them like I can lift it. So that makes me so happy. Who is your first crush? I didn't remember. Why you won't come live in Instagram, Sandeep? I love to come, but I'm so lazy, feeling so lazy. I'm not finding proper time. Definitely, I will try to come in live in Instagram. Nagaraju, hi. And your hair looks so different. Yeah, every time. I'm also feeling so strange. Every time it will give me different shape. But I love my hair. I'm so crazy sometimes. I find myself a lot of times I'm so crazy. Are you the only person stay in your big house? No, actually. My staff is there. They went outside. You have dimples, surprising. I should have. Being a beautiful woman, God given some gifts to me, so I have to accept them. Did you have Instagram? What name? Sridhati Official, I guess. No, something I don't know. I will mention in my page. Just look at it. Uh, and feeling bored, hour. I think it's enough. You super Madam Nagaraju. Really, thank you. And yeah, emotionally I went through a lot of troubles, and I came out, and finally I'm becoming a normal human being and ethical person, and thinking about good, and yeah, believing in karma, and yes, karma is there back of us. Might be if we carry our clothes or not, it's a different thing, but definitely we will carry our karma. So I believed so many bad people, so they kept me in troubles, and still that dirty marks on my life and my on my heart, and they are not going off. In my dreams also, they are making me trouble, and yeah, it's kind of a nightmares, and still, to come out from that problems, it is making me leading tough life, but it's okay. Sometime, one point of time after achieving everything, might be, they all will go. They are devils like me, so they are every time, they are back of me and irritating me. They are giving in every point and in every work, they are making me down, they are putting me down to achieve big roles also. That marks are making me trouble, and if we are fighting against to the bad things, always we are bad people only, because all bad people will be feel like we are bad people. If we are fighting on good things also, on that time we are bad people only, but one point of time we will be legends. So I feel like, one point of time people will recognize my good work, and also to the society what I did, people will recognize my work. And if I lost my life, if I don't get stardom also, it's fine. If people can understand me good, and if people don't blame me for sleeping with so many, that could be more than enough. Yeah. um, uh, Fortunately, I have a lot of people, who are back of me and holding me. If I'm emotionally, I'm falling down. If emotionally I'm going down, few people are there to protect me, and few people are holding me still, and few books, and yeah, the power of the god and still holding me, to live stable. Yeah, that bad dreams in my life, it's still making me suffer a lot, and sometimes I'm emotionally going so down. But this quarantine time, little bit okay, you know to feel myself, and to feel myself as a strong woman, and to feel myself, to better, I think I do better things in my life in the future. I don't know I did good or bad, but I'm feeling like I did good only. Yeah, one point of time I did bad things, because I need to feed myself, and I wanted to settle down in my life, I wanted to settle in my career, so I did some mistakes. But people have to forgive me, and I have to forgive myself, and my father and mother has to forgive. We'll see what will happen. God will decide everything. If you have to describe yourself in one word, Aditya Adi, I'm a Kali. I look like devil, but I'm not. I'm a goddess. What do you think about you, good or bad? I'm a very good girl. I'm a strong hearted, and it's not stone hearted. Strong. Thank you, Ahmed. If I cry also, it means that it not means that I'm a weak woman. I'm a very strong woman. One fine day, I promise, I promise I achieve so many things, and my sacrification will not go for free of cost. It pays me back, and everyone will recognize my sacrification, I guess. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, and love me always and support me always. And yeah, I will catch you soon with my strengthy body and strengthy heart, and all of my fans will be, they will they will feel happy about my success, and they celebrate my success soon. So I tell to my fans and followers and my well wishers, I promise, and I achieve good things in my life. And yeah, I will be bold like this, and I will be strong like this all the time, I promise. And to my enemies also, this kind of situations nobody shouldn't face. I don't know what I will become, but in any profession I will become a star, and I achieve. Okay, okay, guys, thank you so much, and please encourage me like this. And Hare Krishna, hi, uh, and Sharath Gaur Peddi, hi. And thank you so much to everyone, and thank you so much to Hyderabad Times to have me in in their page. And it's a big privilege, and it is so precious to me. And love you, Hyderabad Times, and love you guys all the time.